Welcome once again. You are with Dr. Maharajan. We are sharing knowledge on artificial intelligence for logistics and supply. We have seen already 2-3 videos. Now we will continue the previous video. We will add more to it. Before that, let us see how far we have studied. How this logistics and supply chain are used together. Okay. So we already what are the fundamentals of artificial intelligence, machine learning we have studied, and how they are applied, some of the examples, how they are applied in logistics supply chain, and the ethical considerations also we have covered. So far so good. Now, what we are going to do today, okay, what will be topic? Right? These things are familiar to you. Now, of course, you guessed it right. AI can do many things regarding your inventory management, transportation optimization, and demand forecasting. Remember, these three things are crucial in logistics and supply chain. How we manage our inventory, how we transport our inventory, and how we estimate the demand or forecast the demand. These things are very crucial. So that is why we are dealing with, you are using artificial intelligence for these things, for applications of AI in logistics supply chain, because these things are very complex. You can see, even if you go to any website, let us say Amazon or others, you can see that many number of items and that many designs, that many variants. Even in one mobile phone, you can find different variants, like different levels of RAM, different colors. See, that is so mind-boggling. So in that case, how to manage the inventory, how to pick up the right item, how to send it to the customer in the very efficient way, minimizing cost, reducing waste, and quickly reaching the customer. That's again important. Okay, it is something like making the wow factor. Customer should feel, they got the item well in time. So for this, again, we have to demand, we have to keep the items, not more, not less, but the right quantity we should have in our stock. So for that, we use demand forecasting. Clear? Now, we will see some more advanced topics, how AI is used supply chain optimization. We all know optimization means, see, management is nothing but you say optimum utilization of available resources. Okay, we should not exploit them, but we should optimally use them. We should not underuse also. Like route optimization, we just now spoke about it. AI algorithms, they determine what is the minimum or not optimum route for reaching the transportations, for reaching the customer. And again, it is not just route, it's not that simple as it sounds. Actually, it is consists of many, we call multimodal transport. We have many modes of transport. For example, in case of let us say at least within nation, first from the factory manufacturing hub, things can move through trucks. Then they again at the railway station they may be transported to the trains, and again they can go by air also. In case of international, even the ships are involved. So sometimes a item will move through 2 or 3 or even more transports to reach the destination. Fine. And finally, when we order something, the delivery boy or delivery people, they come to us in two-wheelers and other things. So we are thinking of simply one customer we are buying from one online store, e-commerce or something. But think of a great manufacturing, big facility buying its raw material. So think of the volume involved, think of the cost involved. Okay. So for this we use AI for optimizing our supply chain. Okay. Then warehouse layout also. How our stock facility, warehouse should be uh, laid out. There are many different methods like one straight line, or we say U method. Where the input starts and the output goes out. There are many different layouts, and because we need to minimize the time during which the materials travel, and the cost of moving the materials also should be minimized. So for that, AI can help us in finding the best warehouse or optimum warehouse optimization, and again allocate inventory to our various different units. For a corporate with many different facilities, how to how much inventory to allocate each facility, AI can help us in a wonderful way. Okay, which even otherwise may not be possible using our normal, our computers or others. So, and again, now we can find AI is used in automation, like we call automated warehousing. We discussed, in even Amazon is using. Without people, the machines pick up the items, machines keep the items in warehouses. Okay, and even automatic packing also. Same way autonomous vehicles. Now we have like pilotless vehicles. Same way driverless cars. So these all things is possible because of AI. And now we are talking about delivering items through drone. Again, that is possible using artificial intelligence. Then even for predict maintenance, we can use AI to predict when we should maintain, when we should give the rest to the machines, when we should maintain, provide maintenance or do maintenance for our machines or other things. Fine. I think you have learned a lot today. So test your learning how AI can be used for optimized supply side transportation. Okay. The answer is very obvious. And can you name a real life example where AI is used for inventory management? We have talked about Amazon, with Walmart, others. Fine. So, what we take home today? What is the summary? Again, AI is so powerful, we can use that artificial intelligence very intelligently for our applications, in this case, for our logistics and supply chain. Fine. These are the references you can go through. I'm Dr. Maharajan. Continue in this space for more videos. Okay, until then, be with me.